Hello, and welcome to our series for mental health awareness and how picking up a pencil and paper can provide us with a creative outlet, an essential ingredient for a content and fulfilled life.
This is the second tutorial in this series, so if you missed the first one, you can catch up with it later on.
We are Kirsten
and Maisie, and we are from the Modern Calligraphy Company. We teach calligraphy online and around the UK, so we wanted to share some simple and relaxing ways to start learning calligraphy while you switch off and chill.
Calligraphy is a practice that can help us quiet the mind and promote a sense of calm. By focusing on the movement of our hands and the touch of the paper, we can enter a state of mindfulness that allows us to be fully immersed in the present moment.
Each stroke requires focus and a slow, deliberate movement, all of which contribute to the calming nature of the practice. The repetitive strokes can help to combat stress and anxiety. So let's get started. Grab yourself a piece of paper and a pencil, and let me introduce you to something called finger-hand breathing. It's a natural breathing technique that we've combined with calligraphy practice. Using a pencil, we are going to draw around our hands. Inhale gently as you draw upwards, so your line is delicate, keeping the pressure the same as you draw around the fingertip. As the pencil comes down, exhale steadily and draw the downward stroke with more pressure.
As you work, focus on your breathing. Breathing slowly in through your nose. Aim to breathe into your diaphragm rather than just your chest. Then exhale steadily, feel your body relax, and repeat.
By synchronizing our breath with our hand movement, we can deepen our sense of calm. Plus, it steadies the calligraphy strokes that we're making as well.
It's important to find the process relaxing and enjoyable rather than focusing on the outcome.
And working lightly at first to get the words to fit into the space, which can require quite a bit of rubbing out and repositioning. Now that I'm happy with those, I can work over the top and apply that change in pressure. Keep focused and work slowly to make sure you maintain the pressure on the downward stroke and going nice and gently on that upstroke.
You could work with coloured pencils in the same way and add a drawing or two. It's up to you. You can go as detailed or as simple as you feel like.
Working on this will build up your calligraphy skills and hopefully give you a sense of achievement when the piece is finished. When you're totally involved in an activity, worries and negative thoughts tend to fade away. Plus, when your mind is free from distraction, ideas flow more freely, so it's easier to think outside the box. See where that flow takes you.
Please do subscribe and hit the bell so that you are notified when we post the next video. Until then, may your strokes be steady and your mind be at peace.
Bye.